Hello, lockpickers. It's Albert. We are back on this one. Well, I'm back on this one. I picked it off camera, and I can't pick it on camera yet. It is called Deja Vu by Pickaholic. And, excuse me. Ever since I turned the camera on, I can't turn the lock on. So, here's the temp number. I don't know. Try it again. I do that, I don't know, I do it too often. I pick a lock, pick one out of the bucket, and I pick it open, then I turn the camera on to get it on video, and bada boom, bada bang. I guess we all do that, huh? Alright, try it again. Oh, set this timer over here. Alright, here we go. I think the problem is I keep oversetting something. I'm not positive, but you don't really get like much feedback at all off this thing. They're not real like good clicks from the pins. They kind of feel like they got glue on them or something. Like that one in the back right there. It's just kind of crunks into place. One, two, three, four, probably overset. Five ain't moving. Well, yeah. I think I'm just oversetting everything. Let me try a deeper hooked pick. Okay. through the back. It's not my day. I don't know. I'm not even getting the false set this time. I got the false set slightly, and I mean slightly. Let me try that deeper hook again, maybe. Something in the back holding me up, maybe. Maybe. I'm getting some, I want to say some counter right there. Okay, got a deeper false set. Okay. Might actually be heading in the right direction here, folks. I'll be damned. Now if I can keep that false set and send it home, I'll be a happy camper. There it goes. I'll be damned. It was something in the back holding me up. Alright. Hopefully I can take this. Let's see if the video camera works with me or against me here. Alright. I'll be damned. That thing's been kicking my arse. Zoom out a little bit, maybe. Alright. Spinning tray. We in camera? Yeah, we're in camera. We good? Alright there. Okay. Some light. I'll be damned. Alright, got a key so I can lock it back up. It is unlocked all the way. Beautiful. Wow. Yeah, that thing's been a nemesis. I'm telling you, man. It had to be that pin all the way in the back. And I kept oversetting trying to get to it. Okay. Key. Turn it. See if I can get a shim in there or not. And it's going to be a knot. Alright, that's not going to work. Shit. Oh, I freaking hate this stuff. Kid you not. Alright. Just chaps my freaking hide when it takes longer to get a freaking lock apart than it does to pick it. Okay. Alright, 6 pins, all occupado. Start dumping. All right. Pretty good looking pins there. Okay, on the core we have focus. I see nothing done with the core other than it's been kind of sanded down or something a little bit, but there's no other mods excuse me, mods to the core. Okay, going up top, focus, light. We've got one, I'll be damned, looks like a standard one. Spring or not. Pin 2 is a crazy looking cool deep spool. I'll get a close-up on the pins. 3, spoolie serrated looking thing. 4 looks like a standard. 5 is a really outrageously cool looking, oh, there was a problem, that T-pin looking thing and with a spool on it. Yep. And the last one is, wow, seriously serrated all the way. Okay, the core doesn't look modified on the core. No, those don't look threaded either. So all the magic was in the pins. Okay, about damn time. Okay, that was Deja Vu by Pickaholic. Just focused. Key pins serrated on the top of 1. Number 2 looks standardy unless it's got 1 serration on the top. This one, 3, has a serration on the top. 4's got a couple serrations and sort of a real deep serration there. 5 is serrated, oh, I got it flipped around. Serrated on the top, 1 serration, same with 6. Upper pins, looks like standard in 1, spoolie looking thing in 2. Spoolie sort of, well, serrated and spooled I think in 3. Standard in 4. Spool on 5 with a T-pin on the bottom that whipped my butt. And 6 is completely serrated all the way up. Again, Deja Vu by Pickaholic. That was a kick butt lock. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. Albert signing off.